Hey guys, this is VMG, and in this video I am going to show you how to use your LED notification light as a music visualizer. So let's get started. So for this to work, you need root access and you need an app called LED Music Effects Rooted. I'll link it up in the description below, and it's available on Play Store for free. So in the app you have option for enabling the music beat and effects. You can even set colors which you want to light up while playing the music. And you can also choose if you want multiple colors in a single song. So for example, I'm playing this Over the Horizon song from Samsung. The notification LED lights up, which looks quite awesome, and it even synchronizes with the ups and downs in the song which you are listening to. So I think that's all about it. If you're into more stuff like this, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, hit the thumbs up, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.